Hey boys and girls, welcome to your phonics lesson today. You are going to need worksheet number 37. That's a 3 and a 7 in the top right hand corner. You are also going to need your alphabet handwriting strip, so make sure that you have both of those. And put your name on your paper. I'm looking for your name. Okay guys, we're going to play a quick game. I am going to say some words. Listen for the ah. Can you say ah? Good. And ah. Say ah. Ah sound in each word. If you hear the ah sound, you're going to hold up the number 1. So if you hear ah, number 1. If you hear ah, you're going to hold up the number 2. Okay? Here we go. We're going to play our game. Ready? Echo this word. Cat. Do you hear ah or ah in cat? Ah, you should be holding 1. Good job, guys. Okay, here's another one. Not. Say not. Do you hear ah or ah in not? You should be holding number 2. Good job. Okay, say this word. Wag. Wag. Do you hear ah or ah in wag? Ah, you should be holding number 1. Good. Okay, echo this word. Nod. Nod. Do you hear ah or ah in nod? Ah, good job. You should be holding number 2. Kiss your brains. Good job, my friends. Now, we're going to do some quick letter and sound review. So, let me shuffle my cards. Okay, here we go. What is this letter? H, M, N, O, G, A, P, T, H. We're back at the beginning. Good job. All right, let's do our picture and sound. Let me mix them up. All right, here we go. Pig, p. Apple, a. Goat, g. Hat, h. Monkey, m. Octopus, ah. Tent, t. Nest, n. Pig, p. Good. And what is our sight word? T-H-E is what word? The. Good job, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to say a sound, and I want you to echo it. Ready? Eh. Good job. Eh is the short sound of what vowel? What new letter are we talking about today, boys and girls? What is this letter? I. Good job. This is the letter I. And look here. This one has the breve under it. So this is the short sound of I. Remember, vowels have 2 sounds. They have a short sound and a long sound. Today, we are only going to talk about the short sound. Okay, boys and girls. So, let me ask you a question. This is your new letter. What is this letter? I. Is I a vowel or a consonant? It is a vowel. Can you think of a word that starts with I? Listen for our new keyword to help you with the sound I. Okay? This is something that we use when we measure something. So if you want to know how tall something is, okay? It is marked on a ruler. So if you've ever seen a ruler before, they've got little marks on them, and that's how you measure things with a ruler. It rhymes with the word pinch. Pinch. What do you think it is? Can you say inch, I? Inch, I. I'm going to add this one to our sight word deck, okay? Because that is our new keyword to help us remember the short sound of I. Okay? So I want you to find number 1 on your worksheet, and I want you to practice writing an upper, and lowercase I. If you need help, it's right above on the worksheet, or you can find it on your alphabet handwriting strip. Uppercase I, lowercase I. I says what sound? I. Good. Look at the letters in the box on your worksheet. Do you see any I's? Yes. I want you to circle all of the I's you see. Pause the video. Do this by yourself. Circle all of the I's. When you unpause the video, check your paper. Let's count and see how many I's we circled. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We circled 5 I's. I'm going to write a 5 beside my box. The number 5. And then flip your paper over. Look at the pictures at the top of the page. What is this first picture? Do you see the number 2? What is that a picture of? Igloo. Good job. Say igloo. What do you hear at the beginning of igloo? What letter says I? I want you to write a lowercase I on number 2. Good job. Look at number 3. What is that a picture of? That is a moose. Can you say moose? Good job. What do you hear at the beginning of moose? What letter says M? Write a lowercase m. Good. Look at number 4. That's a person, but do you see the arrow? The arrow is pointing to this. What do we call this? That is our neck. Can you say neck? Good. What do you hear at the beginning of neck? What letter says N? Good job. Lowercase n. Good job, friends. Now look at number 5. Find number 5 on your paper. Which letter is the vowel? You have P-I-G. I is our vowel. How am I going to code my I? With a breathe. Good job. What is that word? P-ig. Pig. Good job. Do you see a picture of a pig? Draw a line from the word pig to the picture. Good job, friends. Okay, look at number 6. You have the letters P-I-N. Which letter is the vowel? I. Good job. How am I going to code my I? With a breathe. Why? Because it's followed by a consonant. Good job. What is that word? Unblend those letters. What does P say? P-I-N. Pen. Do you see a picture of a pen? Draw a line from the word to the picture. Good job. All right, look at the last one. You have L-I-P. Which letter is the vowel? I. How am I going to code my I? With a breathe. Why? Because it's followed by a consonant. Good job. What is that word? Unblend it. U-I-P. Lip. Do you see a picture of a lip? Yes, draw a line from the word to the picture. Good job, friends. All right, now look at your words in the dotted box. Take your finger and point to the first one. Let's say them together. Ready? An, on, not, the, at. Good job, boys and girls. I want you to read those words to someone in your home and then take a picture of the front and the back side of your worksheet so I can see your awesome work. Pat yourselves on the back. Good job today, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.